Nandito ako ngayon sa parking lot ng CBA building.
And it's not just any parking space. It's a coveted parking space.
So coveted, so special, na di umano, ito rin daw ang dahilan ng pagkawala ni Oble. Oble? Is that true?
Bro, parking space namin yun ba't yun nagaw?
Sa inyo? Sino may sa akin? Walang mga fifi kayo Wala nang pinapagkaw. Ano?
Allegedly, ito daw ay bardagulan of the century between Phi Phi Beta at Tau Alpha Epsilon.
Yeah, I remember this. I was a freshie pa when this happened.
Oh, yeah, dude, I know this. Everyone was talking about this back then.
I remember that parking space.
Back then, it was an unspoken rule that parking belonged to FC. You don't park there unless you're a member.
I had this situationship kasi, and he would never park there, ever, kasi he was scared na baka daw bugbugin siya.
So, this is the reason why Oble disappeared?
Well, I have this friend who was also in a situationship with an FC dati. He's what do you call that? Neopet?
Neophyte?
Yeah, that. And then, one night daw, after an event in Quezon Hall, inabangan daw sila ng mga fifi doon. And then, the fight happened. Tapos, because of that daw, nasira si Oble. Well, that's what my friend said.
Because I have a friend who's friends with the guys involved. That fight definitely happened. But the admin covered it up. Because,
No what?
dude, the pressy back then is FC, diba? Si Ventana. Maybe he had something to do with it. Brotherhood.
Ano bang meron sa parking space na yan?
Not sure. Siguro mas convenient. It's so hassle kaya to park here. Dami cars. And it's a frat. It's not about the parking space. It's about the territory.
Grabe, ang dami namang door na tong parking space na to.
Biruin mo, sa maliit na parking space na to, nawala si Oble.
Would you beat me up if inagawan kita ng parking space?
Hindi. Pero, ipapadakip kita sa mga alien.
Speaking of aliens, stay tuned for our final rumor in the next part of...
Oble?
Is that true?